I was wondering if, a polite way to request help. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve into a very useful phrase in English that can help you make polite requests. I was wondering if. This expression is often used to make a request sound softer and more indirect. Let's jump right in. Using "I was wondering if" is a way to make a request sound less direct and more polite. When you use this phrase, it shows that you're considerate of the other person's feelings and that you're not demanding anything. Instead, you're simply expressing a thought or a wish. For example, instead of saying, "Can you help me?" you could say, "I was wondering if you could help me." The second phrase sounds softer and more tentative. Let's look at some different situations where you might use this phrase. 1. At work. I was wondering if you could review my report before the meeting. 2. At a shop. I was wondering if you have this in a larger size. 3. At school. I was wondering if you could explain this concept again. 4. Among friends. I was wondering if you're free this weekend to hang out. In each situation, the use of "I was wondering if" makes the request sound more polite and less like a direct command. 1. Avoid double modal. It's common to hear non-native speakers say, "I was wondering if you can help me." The correct form is, "I was wondering if you could help me." 2. Use appropriate intonation. When using this phrase as a question, ensure your intonation rises at the end to signal that you're asking something. "I was wondering if" is a fantastic tool in your English-speaking toolkit for making polite requests. Using it correctly shows cultural awareness and respect for others. We hope this video helps you in your English-speaking journey. Stay curious, and keep practicing.